Hello friends, I'm back with another video. As promised, lots of product coming up. So this is a Spigen Essential Ultra Slim Fast Wireless Charger F305 model. So this is a different model than we have another Spigen wireless charger. This charger has a speciality that it can charge in 5 watt, 7.5 watt and also in 9 watt. But for that, before you open this up, let me share you. In the last video, I have shown you my Oki Quick Charge 3.0. And my friends, I bought that charger because in that particular charger, it supports these 3 wattage output on the charger. So you need the exact charger to charge this. So it is very slim. It has wireless charging. As always, it is a wireless charger. I don't know why they are mentioning here. It's the name is there, and it has support the fast charging. It is waterproof. Yeah, that's the thing, man. I don't feel that there are any chargers that wireless chargers, especially those, are waterproof. So they are saying that it is waterproof and charge rapidly with advanced wireless charger. It's ultra slim. So why waste time? Let's open this up. It supports Qi enabled devices, integrated charging cable, waterproof IP67. Oh, very nice. Transmission, yes, that's fine. And it costs around 4,499 rupees in India. My God, it's costly. But I will tell you, I got this for only 1,199 rupees. So my friends, go ahead and buy it from Spigen.in or else from Amazon.in. So let's open this up. I think we have a seal here, or we can open it directly from here. Yes, it's open. So this is the wireless charger here. Let's put this side. As you can see here, it's very small in size. We get the cable here. Directly we can put it on our charger, as I mentioned earlier. So let me put this aside. I will show you the other charger that I have here. This is my Samsung wireless charger and this is the Spigen wireless charger. So my friends, check out the thickness, difference of the thickness. This is this much thick. It is like 10 times of Spigen. I don't know why Samsung. So it is here. It is also mentioned here, voltage and all. So let me plug this up and I'll check it out with my Note 9 that it is supporting wireless fast charging or not. So let's go, my friends. I've connected this charger to the wall and I have got my Note 9 here. Let me lock this up. Okay, we will keep this phone on top of here. Yes, it's charging up, charging wirelessly, and sorry, if you move it around then it stops. You have to keep it exactly. It's charging, yes, fast charging wirelessly, 55%, as you can see here, fast charging wirelessly. So this charger, my friends, supports fast charging, and I do appreciate the size of it. It's very slim. I love it. I think you can use this charger on your car. It would be very nice. It's charging wirelessly and it is fast charging. That's a very good thing to know, because usually devices don't charge fast charger in the market. That it is not available and so cheap. This is very cheap. As you can see here, it is charging wirelessly. Let me show you my iPhone too. If we charge it with the iPhone doesn't show it's charging fastly or softly, but it is charging up, as you can see here. Okay, I do have a Nokia website up here. Let me, sorry, what I'm doing. Yes, it's charging, as you can see here. The symbol is locked up here. Let me show you. Yes, as you can see here, it is charging, but we don't have the option to check out. It is charging wirelessly, fast charging, a small, and also this iPhone 8 doesn't support wireless fast charging. I think it supports the iPhone 10, and if you have iPhone 10 then you can check it out, my friends. But it supports Samsung devices very nicely, and first it will select wireless charging, then it will go up and charge to fast charging. So it first detects whether it is having the charging technology or not, like the pad is getting compatible with these devices and it's working. So that's fine, my friends. Thank you for watching. This is the Spigen slim wireless charger which supports fast charging technology. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe and stay tuned. More videos is coming up in near days. Bye bye.